Hello students, today we are going to start our next topic from chapter simple equation. The topic is solving the equations. So I'm here with the first equation, 2x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 4. So you just need the value of x. So there are two terms on the left hand side, 2x by 3, 5 by 2 is equal to 4. So take this full fraction to the right side. It is a positive fraction, so it will make a convert into negative fraction. So 2 by 3, we were having 4 to the right side. Now take 5 by 2, it will become a negative fraction. So solve this right hand side. You will take LCM here. The LCM is 2. Cross multiply, 2 fours are 8, 1 fives are 5. This you have done in the earlier chapter, that is in the fractional chapter. So 2x by 3, 8 minus 5, that is 3 by 2. So you are here with 2 by 3 with x. Now this 2 is multiplying with x and 3 is dividing with x. So you will take these both numbers to the right side. If it is dividing, it will multiply. It is multiplying, it will divide. So just leave x. 3 by 2 was earlier to the right side, so this 2 it will divide here, this 3 it will multiply here. Okay, so the value of x is 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. So this is the value. You cannot take just 3 to the right side. It is, if you say the 3 is dividing here and we will take it to the right side, this is only dividing with the 2x. So if you take this 3 to the right side, it will multiply with all. You can only take the number, if it is dividing with all, it will multiply with all. If it is adding with all, it will subtract with all. Okay, so let us check this in second example. X plus 2 by 3 is equal to 3x minus 2 by 5. So now here we have having a number 3 that is dividing with both these number, and 5 is also dividing with the both these number. So in this case you cannot take just 2 to the right hand side. The common mistake that is seen is they take 2 to the right hand side. This is adding with x, but the relation with the 3 is a division case. Okay, so if you say I am taking this 2 to the right hand side, what we will do into the right side, either we can subtract or we can multiply. So we cannot do both things at the same times. And also you cannot take this full 2 by 3 to the right side. The reason is this 3 is not only dividing with 2, it is also dividing with this x. So what we will do, 3 is dividing with all, take it to the right side and multiply with all. 5 is dividing with all, take it to the left side and multiply with all. So solve the brackets. 5x, 5 plus 2, 5 into 2, 10. 3 3s are 9x, 3 2s are 6. Multiply with all. So combine the x and in one side and other numbers to the other side. So I am taking 5x to the right side, 9x, this is positive, and it will become a negative number. So take this 6, it is negative, it will become here positive. So 10 plus 6, that is 16. 9x minus 5x, that is 4x. So 4 is multiplying with x, take it to this side and divide, and you will get the answer. So x is equal to 4. Okay, so this is our third equation. You are looking brackets in this equation. So firstly try to solve the brackets. 4 2s are 8x, 4 3s are 12 and the sign is negative. Now solving the second bracket, 5 3s are 15x, 5 4s are 20 and positive 5 multiplied by negative 4, the answer is negative here, is equal to 14. So combine the x and the other number on the opposite sides. 8x plus 15x, that is 23x. Take these number to the right hand side. 12 is negative on the left side and 20 is also a negative number, so these both will go to the right side and become positive. The 14 was earlier to the right side, taking 12 to right it become a positive number, 20 to right it will also become a positive number. So add these numbers, you'll get 46. So what is the value of x? 23 is multiplying, we just need x only, so take cut this 20, cut this 23. You can cut this by taking it to the right side. It is multiplying, so it will divide here and the value of x will be 2. Okay, so earlier we saw you were having pre-made equations. Sometimes you have to set up the equations by your own by reading the language form. Okay, so how can you convert this language form into equational form? So this is our first example. Adding 7 to 6 times the number, you get 73. So you don't know what is the number which is multiplying with this 7. So let us suppose the number is x. So what the above wording says, adding 7, so we add 7, sorry, we have to multiply this with 6, I said with the 7, adding 7, so you add 7 6 times the number, so this number is 6 times, and what do you get? The result is 73. So this is our equation. Now you can easily solve this equation. 7 is positive and it become negative number to the right hand side. 6x is equal to, so we minus this, it is 73 minus 7, so the result is 66. So 6 is multiplying, take it to the right side and it will divide here and you will get the answer. So x is equal to 7. Let us try to solve another example. This is another example. Perimeter of rectangle is 96 meter and its length is 3 times its width. Find the length and breadth. You have to write proper statements here. I am just writing here length and breadth. You can get the perimeter with only two things, that is length and breadth. So what are lengths and breadths here? Length is 3 times its width, so you don't know what is width. Let us suppose it is x, so length is 3 times, so this is 3 multiplied by x. So you got here length and breadth. The perimeter is 96 meters. So what is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Put these values in this formula. Perimeter is 96. This is equal to length and breadth are 3x and breadth is x. So you got equation in this case, 96 is equal to 3x plus x, that is 4x. 4x into 2, that is 8x. So what will we do with this 8? It is multiplying, take it to the right side, left side, and it will divide in this case. So the answer is 12. X is equal to 12. We have taken x here as a breadth, so it is 12. And what will be the length? Length is 3 times this breadth, that is 12 3s are 36. So these two are the lengths and breadths of this rectangle. Let us try to solve another example. So example is a man is 4 times as old as her daughter. After 16 years, he will be twice as old as her daughter. Find daughter's age. So the present age, we don't know the present age. Let us suppose that is x. The present age of her daughter is x. And presently this man is 4 times as old as his daughter. So the age of this man is 4 times. This means 4 multiplied by x. So another thing is after 16 years. So we'll try to solve this. Calculate the ages after the 16 years. After 16 years, he will be twice as old as her daughter. So after 16 years, what will be the age of his daughter? X plus 16. Present age is x. So after 16 years, it will be x plus 16. And this man will be 4x plus 16. And here we can take a equation here that this we can compare these both ages. The statement here says that this man is twice as old as his daughter. So to make these both ages equal, if I double the age of the daughter, it will become equal to the age of a man. So here we got an equation. So we'll solve this. 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 16, that is 32. And on the right side we are having 4x plus 16. Take this x to one side and these numbers to another side. 4x, taking this 2x to the right side, plus 2x, it will become minus 2x. And we are having 32 here. 16 is positive, it will become negative. In this case 32 minus 16, that is 16. 4x minus 2x, that is 2x. So you will find the value of x here. 2 is multiplying, it will come here and it will divide, and we will get the value of x. What is the value of x? That is 8. Okay, so the present age of the daughter is 8 years and the present age of this man is 8 4s are 32. Okay, I hope you understood this. Thank you.